I just built a RAG-powered AI assistant for Confluence. Now, this can be very helpful for teams and organizations which refer Confluence on a daily basis and have their data populate in Confluence on multiple pages, and the data is just exploding each day. This can be really helpful to gather all the information from all those pages, create summaries, even build automations to automate the entire process. Now, let's just see this in action before we run through the workflows. So this is the AI assistant, and let's just say I just put a question where I'm asking, give me all the information regarding AI and Google that you find on my Confluence. I run this, and what this does is it will go and fetch all the details from Pinecone, which I have stored as vectors from Confluence, and gives me a good summary of all that information. And at the bottom of this, it will also give me all the page IDs from where it is fetching this information, which is really good for someone to go and check it out manually if the person wants to go and get more information about it. Now, let's look into the other workflows. Now, this is where we are fetching all the information from Confluence. And while we are fetching the information from Confluence, we are just fetching the information that has been changed or updated between the schedule. Now, let's say if we are running this once weekly, it will just get us information that has changed or updated within the last 1 week, which is possible by doing a SQL query, which is a Confluence query language, and we get all that information within a space, and then we push it to Pinecone. While we are pushing it to Pinecone, we also push metadata like the URL, the title of the page, as well as the page ID, which is further useful in upsorting the data in Pinecone. Now, this is the other workflow where we are first deleting all the vectors which are related to the page ID that we are dealing with. This makes sure that the information that we are fetching from Pinecone is always updated, and we are just updating the information that has changed. So first we just delete all the information related to a page, and then we update or insert information that has been fetched from Confluence at the moment regarding those pages. If you want to see this completely, I'll just put the link below of the YouTube video where I explain the entire workflow to you, and you can use it in your own use case.